Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. Today I am going to be teaching you how to create or draw a swimming pool using 2-point perspective. So the tools that you're going to need is an eraser, pencil, a black marker or a black pen, and a 30-centimeter ruler. Now I've already gone ahead and created a little structure, a little house, and this is a space I am going to draw my swimming pool in. As usual, I have my 2-point perspectives, the left and the right. Starting off, I am going to be drawing 2 structure lines, and of course our structure lines need to be nice and light. That goes across, and we're going to be drawing 2 of these from the right perspective point. This is going to create the overall length of our swimming pool. So we're going to do the same exact thing, but crossing over from our left vanishing point. This is going to create the width of our swimming pool. And now that we've completed that, we've created the space in which our pool is going to be in. I'm going to create kind of a depth, or rather a width to our swimming pool. So I'm just going to simply double each of these lines. I know I'm drawing very lightly, but my structure lines need to be light. So I will be going over this with pen later on, so you can see the structure being created nice and clearly. Again, I'm going to do the same exact thing from the left vanishing point, placing my ruler, shifting it above my original line just slightly, and create a width to my swimming pool, and again to the front. And there we have it. A swimming pool with its base and its width as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and maybe darken the lines now so you all can see clearly. Now that's done, we are going to create some sort of a step that would lead up to the pool. Just remember, do not work on that side just yet. We are going to create the front side first, and then we're going to connect it to the width in the back. So you're going to make sure your lines are parallel. We're going to create or draw a very small vertical line that goes downwards and join this into the left vanishing point. With this line done, I am going to make sure that my line is vertical, shift it across, making sure that my vertical line is parallel, and draw the line down to meet the line we've drawn. We're going to draw an extension that comes outwards. So this is going to join the right vanishing point. Another small line. You can be super accurate about this if you'd like to, or not, it's fine. Now I'm going to join that edge into the left vanishing point, shifting as we go across. Draw another line into my right vanishing point. This is going to demonstrate or show the step in which we are going to take. So it's just a tiny line that meets our initial line. And I'm going to repeat this process after I've darkened the line to see whether or not I'd like to add another step. So judging from what I've drawn, I feel like I need to add another step. So I'm going to do the same thing, draw a nice vertical line down, join that edge into the left vanishing point, draw down another vertical line, making sure it's accurate, going across, nice and parallel, and darkening my line to complete my last step. As you can see, we left this part so that we can do it last. All I'm going to do is join that, or my right vanishing point, into the last edge of my step. And we're going to close off my swimming pool by placing my ruler on any vertical line, slowly shifting it across, and then drawing a line to meet my structure line. Let's go ahead and darken this last line here so that you can see the almost completed full structure of our swimming pool. What I am going to do before we complete our swimming pool is outline it and erase the pencil lines that we don't need. We'll come back and complete this swimming pool. So for this last step, we are going to create the depth inside the pool with 3 very easy steps. You are going to draw from the last corner. You're going to draw a nice vertical line. Again, making sure that it is parallel, regardless of how deep you want your pool to be. My pool is not going to be very deep. I'm going to join one corner into the left vanishing point. So that will create my width. And then for my length, just going to finish it off by joining it into my right vanishing point. A lot of the times you're going to need to practice to make sure you're connecting your points into the correct vanishing points. But in the end of the day, once you've practiced properly, you will be able to create a drawing that you are very proud of. It does take time to learn things like this because you have to be super accurate about your line drawings and where you are placing your structure lines. But in the end of the day, if you do it properly, if you work with a light structure line, you will be able to erase and fix your work up as you go. So here's a completed swimming pool. I'm just going to go ahead and erase my last pencil lines that I do not need. I'm going to work on shading this and show you guys the final product. So here is my final product. I shaded in the house and my swimming pool as well, created some reflections on the water. Hope you all found this helpful and enjoyed the video. Practice and you will be able to create something much better than this.